Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel TopTrends. This time we're offering you another collection of the most innovative gadgets available on Aliexpress and Amazon websites. Links to all products are provided in the product description. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. Let's go! It comes with a triple positioned bubble that can be leveled for the perfect, let's say, hanging of pictures. The tape measure is 8 feet long and comes with the standard and the metric measurement. Additionally, there's a ruler located at the base of the device. The laser level line will assist in completing your project accurately. For a long time, we had speakers that just blast songs into the ears of our children. In 2022, where even speakers are said to be intelligent. With the new Echo Dot, you'll be in a position to stream music, set alarms, and control your home devices, and tell jokes, and even act as a home intercom phone. It's basically the speaker version of your personal assistant Alexa. The trash can might not seem like something you would consider exciting. However, they play a crucial function in kitchens. In addition, trash cans have advanced in recent years, and there are smart trash cans on the market. The Townew T1 is a prime instance. In this post, we will discuss Townew T1 trash can's characteristics and how it can differ from other trash containers on the market today. Expand your screen by adding this portable attachable monitor for laptops by using a SideTrak. It measures 12 inches in size. The portable monitor offers all HD resolution with 1080 pixels. Able to connect via USB-C, USB-A, or HDMI, this HD laptop monitor has multi-compatible features like anti-glare and 360 auto-rotate technology. The second monitor in the portable version is great for those who have multiple windows open. Maximize your workspace and save time by adding this top-quality attachable monitor. Imagine controlling a variety of home appliances by a single click. This is the future of technology. With this intelligent screen control, it is possible to make your home completely automated. From lights to air conditioners, all settings are just one click away. In addition, you are able to regulate the temperature of your home, as this device comes with a built-in thermostat with its feature based on scenarios. It now lets you set different settings for various situations like getting up, sleeping, or exercising. If you're searching for the top laser engraving machine, you should have heard of LaserPecker. The company has been manufacturing laser engravers for quite a while in the past, and with their newest release, LaserPecker 2, which is now becoming more popular than ever. Since it is the second laser engraving project of LaserPecker, the LaserPecker 2 has seen a plethora of improvements, which makes it one of the top commercial laser engravers on the market. It's the latest SUNNYBAG Explorer Plus solar backpack. Its SUNNYBAG Explorer Plus offers an amount of 15 liters. Inside there are practical pockets for pens and business cards. On the other hand, you can find an enclosed compartment for tablets and laptops. The pockets on the sides provide room for bottles of water or umbrellas. The tiny compartment can also be used to store sunglasses. Each SUNNYBAG that has an Explorer and solar panel comes with a certificate of certification. This means we test each panel prior to it being delivered. We guarantee an output power of 6 watts. Each certification guarantees that each panel is at minimum 6 watts of power before it's sent. To describe the solar charging capability, I remove the panel out of the backpack. When you remove the panel, you can explore the possibilities of making use of it on its own, such as going to the beach to charge your phone. If you're using the backpack in a separate way, the surface on the solar panel provides 6 watts of energy. On the back, the bag is transparent that can be used to store and charge smartphones using the USB cable. Clean my bag. The USB output has an indicator lamp. This means it is creating energy from the natural lighting we experienced at the studio. You can connect a power bank to store solar energy throughout the day and charge your devices at night. In addition, we suggest our alternative SUNNYBAG power banks. In the event that your smartphone camera happens to be the primary camera you use, you may know how uncomfortable it is. Sometimes, you may lose your grip or the angle could be uncomfortable. The Pictar Pro transforms your smartphone camera into a professional camera to allow you to go about taking amazing photos. The comfortable grip lets you to take photos with just one hand, and its intelligent technology triggers the camera through the sound frequency. Razer offers some of the most cool gadgets available in the market, from smartphones to laptops accessories. Their products are creative. One of their most popular products is the Kishi portable game controller. Razer Kishi is gorgeous, is extremely light, and compatible with all smartphones, whether it's Android as well as iPhone. The best part is that this device is priced under $100. Kishi controller comes with an easy-to-fold design that makes it simple for you to transport around. It does not require batteries, and it draws its power from your smartphone. This isn't all. Kishi comes with an USB-C port that can charge your smartphone even while work. Enjoy yourself with your Explorer Plus backpack. Life is about having new experiences to do that you'll have to carry a few items with you. Well, don't worry. With more than 20 compartments that can accommodate laptops, as well as toiletries, clothing, and more, the new backpack will be the ideal lifestyle and travel bag. With modern features such as credit card slots as well as suction cup holders for smartphones, you'll be able to satisfy any desire. If you're planning to travel light, the X briefcase is strong and lightweight. 6 counted pillows for neck and back support mean you can travel with ease. Your eyes will always be aware of where the glasses are, thanks to a handy pocket is filled with incredibly soft material that will guarantee your glasses remain free of scratches. With the built-in USB cable, you'll be in a position to share your experience without worry whether you'll run out of energy. The water-resistant design helps keep everything dry. It is designed to be suitable for daily usage. This backpack integrates well with a roller bag, allowing you to navigate to your door easily. The compartment hidden behind the back helps to keep your most valuable items in a secure and safe location. Laptop and backpack come in 2 trendy shades, regardless of the occasion. It's also the perfect bag and case for laptops that will ensure you are always on the move for new experiences. Imagine getting home only to find that you do not have your main key and no one is there. In order to avoid problems such as this, get this intelligent Wi-Fi deadbolt that you can unlock your door simply by entering the correct password. You can also make 10 codes in the event that guests arrive and you're not home. The deadbolt can be linked by the device of your Alex or Google Assistant, so you can control it with a voice commands. Guys, that's all I've got for today. If you've never had a chance to watch the videos, I recommend you take a look. I hope you enjoy the video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up.